Rjticharts. Gold. Who do you want to listen to? Our firm proved that we were the only one in years 2015 through 2017 to forecast gold to trade up to $3,000 an ounce, silver $75, platinum up to $3,000. And then we revised our target over the next 3 years before Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and many others, and provided our projection that gold would trade to $4,250 to $5,200 and $120 silver. And when gold dipped to $4,400 in February 2026, we told you it was an open candy store, and gold rallied $1,000 per ounce from the $4,400 low. So gold is plummeting again and has hit a low of $4,370 as of 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time on March the 22nd, 2026. Conclusion. Is the rally over with for precious metals? Shake, shake, shake. If you believe the gold rally and silver and platinum rally is over with, then congratulations. Yet, any opinions or suggestions that the precious metals rally is toast will exhibit your inability to see through the trees and your incapability as an investment firm or guru to see behind the forest, and your 200 to 400 analysts or metals department, as well as your trading models, will be reflected as flawed in many ways. The rally for the gold market is not over with. And for every 100 ounces of decline for gold will equal 100 ounces of recovery. And that sounds like we're saying that the highs are to be retested, if not taken out, to work toward our next objective, which we will admit has been revised down from the $6,500 to the $8,000 range to $5,800 to $6,900 range. This implies that the Iranian circumstances lifespan could equal as much as 3 to 6 months, if not more. In our opinion, the Pandora box we warned about 2 years that a potential could unfold has happened. We told you on March the 24th, 2024 at 7:11 p.m. Our Rjticharts versus Wall Street, TV gurus, executives of banks, FOMC versus they say we are out of touch. But what we sent out was we're not going to hide in a closet, and neither are we going to run away from our ongoing projection that this rally isn't going to end well, and that a severe recession is to unfold, and a black swan event is embedded. And companies like Meta, NVIDIA, SMCI are to severely diminish in value, and the fundamentalists who continue to ignore physics as if gravity doesn't matter, floating suspensions, and the exuberant behavior that works to justify overvalue for the sake of profit exist. We also told you we are calling for a severe bear market to unfold, and the headwinds that lie in store are from global pressures, banking, real estate, black swan event, to name a few areas. Is the 2026 event considered to be global pressure, banking, real estate, black swan event? Well, let's take a look at the global pressures. Russia, Ukraine, Iran, Lebanon, Israel, Pakistan, and more. Let's take a look at the banking. We see that on this chart, we're in the early stages. Our sell signals are near the top, and the value is decreasing. Let's take a look at the real estate. As you can see on the chart, we got our sell signals near the top, and the real estate value has been declining. Then, what about the Black Swan event? Well, a RJTI chart forecast from 3/24/24, that one was coming. Did we present that? Does the escalation between Iran and Israel qualify as one of unpredictability? We see a lot more upside potential for gold, silver, platinum, and we don't mind catching the falling knife. Simply put, is this your last chance to buy the dip or a lower dip for precious metals? If you don't believe so, then continue to sell. But if you want to follow wisdom, then you must decide. RJTI Charts loves the dip for precious metals that is occurring now. And as you can see on our chart, XAU, USD, gold versus the US dollar, you can see our buy signal that came in 2015 through 2017. Who do you want to listen to? Those that forecast after or before. It's easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it is even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees. But it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. RJTICharts.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trade systems.